divide 29 by 2. So here we divide 29 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down the beside number 9 and we can remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we don't have there the beside number, so we put here decimal. So we can take here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 29 divided by 2 we get 14 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.